Have you ever heard of Google Opinion Rewards? If you haven't, just in a second, I'm going to show you what Google Opinion Rewards is. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide whether Google Opinion Rewards is a good survey site to earn money with. Google Opinion Rewards is a mobile application that rewards users for answering short surveys by Google. So in order to get started with this mobile application, all what you need to do is to go to Play Store or Apple Store and download the mobile application. When I come to Google and search for Google Opinion Rewards, you are going to find like this mobile application. This is the icon for the mobile application. It is a very popular mobile application that users use to earn a few cents there and there. And when you come to their website over here, you will discover that it says that your opinion is valuable. Any rewards for helping us improve our products and services. So you are going to be answering short surveys provided by Google, and Google uses the information it collects to improve their services. And when I scroll down, you can see that you can get the app on the App Store and the Play Store. So you're going to be receiving surveys on all sorts of different topics. You might be asked what you think about a video you just recently watched on YouTube. You might be asked like to review the hotel maybe you slept at, or you might be asked to review the restaurant you ate at. Like those sorts of questions, like those are the type of questions. And this type of questions usually they don't take more than 30 seconds. I can say I've answered quite a number of these questions. They are very easy to answer. And one thing which I want to make mention of is that even though the surveys are very easy to do, like the pay rate, like the amount that you're going to be earning on Google Opinion Rewards is not that much. Like you're going to be making very little, but surveys also take almost no effort to complete. So for me, it's a win-win. You're going to be making a few cents, even though it's small, but you're not going to be spending more than 30 seconds or 20 seconds of your time to do those surveys. So like, why not give it a try? So I will go ahead and show you using the mobile application, like how to go about it. In order to get started, all what you need to do is to come to your Play Store and install this mobile application on your phone. So when you come over here, you just need to search for Google Opinion Rewards. So you're going to find the mobile application like this. It is both available on iPhone and Android. So you just need to download it. For me, it is already downloaded, so I'll just press open to open the mobile application. And once you have opened the mobile application, you'll be able to see your balance over there, and then you can see under my tasks, you'll be able to find if they are available surveys. So you can see that I've got one survey and it is going to be expiring in 7 hours. Despite Google Opinion Rewards being a good app to earn money with, people usually like experience lacking surveys. Like you might go for days like without receiving a survey. So if you want to be receiving more surveys, all what you need to do is to implement this trick. You need to turn on the location like on this mobile application. And in order to turn on the location, all what you need to do is to come over here. Then you need to come to settings. Then over here in settings, you need to go to where it says Google Location History and press on it. Then here you will need to choose your account. So I will choose my account. After choosing your account, you are going to come over here where it says Location History. You can see it says off. So you just need to come and press on it, turn on, and turn on the location. Press on turn on the location. Once you have turned on the location, you'll be able to receive more surveys, because this mobile application is a location based mobile app. You're going to be reviewing the places you visit. You're going to be reviewing maybe the restaurants you eat at. Like it is location based. So if you turn on your location, you'll be able to receive more surveys that way. So just press on got it. So over here you can see like that is my balance. Then to answer surveys, all surveys, available surveys are going to be under my task. So you just come and press on answer survey. For me, like the language, it is showing Turkish because I'm in Turkey, but it is going to be displayed in the language like of your location, of the country where you are based. So here I will just press on it, I understand. Then I'm being asked like out of these shops, out of these supermarkets, which one did you last visit? So I'm just going to choose the one which I visited recently. So recently I was in this one. I also went to this one. Then all what I need to do is to come and press on next. Then they're asking me when did I last visit Migros Jet. So it is about yesterday. Yesterday it was 28. Then I'll go. Then they're asking me like, when I went to this shop, how did I pay for the transaction for the things I bought? So what happened is like, I paid with a bank card when I went there, so I'll go with that one. And what did I pay with it? It was a bank card. Then we can see where it says that end the survey. Like this, we have come to the end of the survey. So I'll just press on BT in our language. Then the survey has come to an end. You can see like for just answering that survey, I've been able to earn around 65 cents. So like this is how easy the surveys are like on Google Opinion Rewards. So all what I need to do is to come and press on close. Then after some time, my balance is going to be updated. You can see that it has been updated. And whenever there's a new survey, I'm going to receive a notification, then I'll be able to answer that survey. You have seen how easy it is to answer surveys on Google Opinion Rewards. Most of the surveys, they usually just take 10 to 30 seconds. They are very easy surveys to do. So all what you need to do is to make sure that you turn on the location like on your mobile application to be able to receive more surveys, because one of the most challenges which people face is not receiving surveys. So if you want to be receiving more surveys, you have to turn on the location like on your mobile application. Not only that, I also recommend answering surveys as soon as you receive them. Whenever you get a notification that there's a new survey, answer it. That way Google will be able to send you more surveys in the future. The earnings from these surveys are very little, but by answering surveys on a regular basis, like the balance builds up and you'll be able to earn something a little bit significant. So like this is how you can make money using Google Opinion Rewards, by just answering short surveys provided by Google. I hope you're able to find value in this video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.